So it's not often that I get excited about doing my laundry, but I actually really am today because of a very green, a very eco-friendly and a beautiful new product that you are going to want to know about. Okay, so I am excited to show you this kit now. I didn't want to do the whole video in my laundry room because it is a little bit cramped in there, but this is an absolute life changer as far as your laundry is concerned. Trust me. So it is a kit, it is a box that you get called My Green Fills. And when I first heard about it, I was like, oh wow, that is such a good idea. Being the green girl that I am, because you're gonna find out right now why it's really eco-friendly. But still I wasn't completely sold because it's laundry, it's gotta be a really good product, da-de-da. So let me quickly talk you through it. And actually, the thing that I am most obsessed with about this entire kit, I'm actually going to save to the end, and I'm going to hide it because it's something super duper special, so you have to stick along to the end to see what it is. Alright, so My Green Fills is a box, and with the kit you can choose what size of kit you want, what you want to get in it. I believe there are like sort of 3 different options. Here's the big thing that makes it more eco-friendly than most. This jug, in the kit that you get, or the kit that I got, there are 2 plastic jugs. And what My Green Fills says is that this is the only plastic jug that you're ever going to need. That's it. Or these are the only 2 plastic jugs that you will ever need. You will never have to buy another plastic jug again. And this is huge because these things, this plastic is obviously completely not biodegradable. It lives on and on in the environment for hundreds and hundreds of years. And the really scary thing is that even if you live in the US and you think, well, I recycle my plastic, now recycling in the US has become a big, big problem because the recycling plants aren't able to get rid of the recyclable materials that they pick up from your curbside because other countries like China that it's typically shipped to are not accepting it anymore. So they're stuck now. So you've got to really think of the whole life cycle of anything that you buy now. We used to think, oh, I can recycle it. Well, not so much anymore. So this gives even more reason for me to really think about not buying huge plastic anything, but certainly laundry detergents, which I get through really quickly, and I use a lot of them every single month. So with My Green Fills in my kit, I get these 2 jugs. One is laundry wash, the blue one, and the other is laundry rinse. In each one there is 50 loads. Well, there will be 50 loads actually, because what I do is I take the little pouch, this is a little kind of foil pouch, and it'll arrive empty, the jug, and you're going to fill the jug with the contents of this. Sorry about my dog's barking. Then you fill it with super hot water from your tap, shake it up, and hey presto, you have a full-size 50-load laundry detergent, which is good for a high-efficiency machine. Sorry, I keep pointing to that. That's the rinse, and that is the detergent. So if you think about it, every single time you need a new one, all you need is a little refill pack, which My Green Fills will send you, and you can get a subscription, so you never even have to think about it. The next thing that you get in the kit is there's Oxy Boost, which is really great for your whites if you want to get your whites really white. Earth-friendly, non-toxic, pop it in. It works really well as a soak as well, and it brightens your whites naturally. And this lasts for a while. This is 48 high efficiency loads in this packet, and when this packet is done, this is much easier to recycle. It's printed on recyclable film, so every aspect of this of My Green Fills is eco-friendly, which is exactly what they intended. Now we're almost getting to the thing that I'm really obsessed about. But let me walk you through the rest of my kit here. You also get an Enzyme stain remover, premium non-toxic stain remover. You just add 3 tiny scoops per load along with the laundry wash. And they also provide this little jar that you can pour it into for ease of use. Everything is thought about here, and it even has the little tiny scoop in it. So everything's provided. So that's if you have laundry that's really stained. Then there also comes with a little stain stick, like so. And this stain stick is really good for that kind of old-fashioned rubbing out a stain, so I really like that. There are also other products as well that my Greenfields does, such as it's Oh Happy Day Space Refresher. Now here's the big thing that I wanted to tell you. I don't love the scent of a lot of eco-friendly laundry detergents and fabric softeners and whatever. They just don't smell of anything. Or if they do, and some of the supposedly greener ones that are very expensive, they're not really green. It's a synthetic scent and it has phthalates in it, and I know that. So to find a laundry wash, rinse, etc. that is truly non-toxic and truly phthalate-free and eco-friendly, but that smells amazing, that is finally what really sold me on this. And that same signature scent they put into this little space refresher spray, which I love because I've got pets, 3 little dogs. And sometimes my home can be a little, just needs a little bit of a refresher. Okay, are you ready for the thing that I love the most about this? So, it is called the Dryer Angel. And it comes in a little paper bag, and it says refillable laundry freedom, made with 100% eco-friendly materials. Now, what this is, it's a scent booster to put in your dryer, in place of, I guess, a dryer sheet, which don't buy regular dryer sheets, please. They are not eco-friendly and they are infused with so many toxic chemicals. And don't forget that with toxic chemicals, which would be all the synthetics that are in most mainstream laundry detergents, dryer sheets, fabric softeners, etc., they leave a residue, particularly fabric softeners and things that you put in your dryer. They leave a residue on your towels, on your sheets, on your clothes. And so many people have said to me, Sophie, when they switch to a non-toxic brand, skin issues such as, dermatitis and things like this totally cleared up. So it really has a bigger effect than you might know on your personal health. So you open the bag, and what comes in it is this little Dryer Angel. So it's made of cotton, and it also comes with a little card telling you who actually sewed it. And members of a deaf village are employed to make these little Dryer Angels, which I think is amazing. And so they're beautifully, carefully made. And then you also get in your little bag here these little sachets, and they're filled with the actual scent booster, which is essential oils. It smells so good, and it is in this little plastic sealed bag, but you need the little plastic sealed bag. You're not going to throw it away. You're going to reuse it over and over and over to keep the little sachet fresh. So when you take it out, you'll be like, oh my gosh, that smells so amazing. So what you do is you take it out, you pop it into the little Dryer Angel, into her skirt, and then you snap it closed. It's got little snaps or poppers, as we do say in the UK. And there she is. There's your Dryer Angel. You'll toss her into the dryer, and it'll make your drying your dried laundry smell so lovely. And then when you're done, take it out and seal it back in the little plastic pouch to keep it fresh. So that's it, my friends. Isn't that fantastic? Don't you love it? I knew you would love this kit. So click on the link below the video, and you can get, I believe, a sachet to try. So you get 50 loads of laundry free. But honestly, I recommend you just go for it. There'll be no looking back. I mean, it's fun to make. I actually look forward to doing my laundry now. And every single time I refill my rinse or my laundry with the little refill thing and the hot water, and then you just shake it up. It's so satisfying. It's so satisfying to know that it's just easy to do, and I'm not having to go out to the store and schlep another big piece of plastic back to my house. So I hope that you are excited about it as I am. And please, if you don't know me, if you've just chanced upon this video because you were looking up laundry detergent or something, do look at some of my other videos and consider subscribing to my channel, because I do tons of different videos on nutrition and DIY and food and everything pertaining to a healthy lifestyle. And I make brand new videos every single week, and so if you subscribe, it means that you're not going to miss any of the latest ones. So thank you for watching, and if you're already in my community and subscribe, thank you so much. You mean so much to me. Leave comments and I always try and get back to you as soon as I can. Bye bye. Hi, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, there are hundreds more. And please also visit my blog at sophieuliano.com for detailed reviews, recipes, DIYs, and more.